pride myself in having a strong stomach, but goddamn.
Oh my god!
No $8 for you! You blew it!
I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna try it again.
We should have had a no gagging rule. There you go.
The wing is really bizarre. Like, it's not food.
None of it's food.
But at least, like, it's the rest of it's crap. Motherfuck. Here,
No, she hasn't
I'll
done
just do
anything
the
else.
rest of it.
You're gonna have to eat that part too.
I'm not eating it off the ground.
Oh yeah, because it wasn't all sitting on the ground 4 seconds ago anyway.
That's right.
No.
Okay, see? I'm gonna put this in my mouth now.
Smelling